白宫国安顾问苏利文上周末和中国外长王毅在曼谷会谈12小时，双方针对两岸議題有深入、直接、坦率的对話。蘇利文表示，台灣選舉沒有發生重大兩岸事件，是美中台三方的努力。
Just a few weeks ago, Taiwan held historic elections without any major cross-strait incident, in part because all sides, Washington, Beijing, and Taipei, worked to reduce miscommunication and misperception about their respective intentions. That is an outcome that few may have foreseen in August of 2022, when most expected the cross-strait situation to grow more tense, not less. But it's no guarantee of future trends, and the risk remains real. So we have to keep working at this by intensifying both diplomacy and deterrence.
苏利文强调，美国对台湾选举保持中立，希望看到政权顺利交接。重申美国的一中政策没有改变，美国也将尽一切可能维持台海和平稳定。
We congratulated the winner. We congratulated the Tsai Ing-wen on, an effective democratic election, and now, we've made clear we would like to see a smooth transition. We continue to have concerns about elevated levels of aggressive military activity around the Strait. We don't regard that as conducive to peace and stability.
苏利文表示，南海和东海的摩擦、经济和科技的反制措施，都是美中之间可能的风险。但最重大的风险是台海危机，尤其北京增加在台湾周边空中和海上的行动，也因此密集外交非常重要。Tvbs 新闻倪家辉，美国华府报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 Tvbs 新闻网 APP。